Hello guys, welcome to MySQL database session. In this video we are going to discuss about how to create users, grant permission to users, how to revoke permission from user and drop user. So let's start our video. To create user we use command like create user, username @hostname which is identified by password. Here lots of query that why we use hostname, because when we use MySQL by using command prompt, at that time we need to give username, password and hostname also. That's why hostname is required. And grant permission, this will be used after creating user. Okay, so let's open command prompt. If you are new here and you doesn't know how to use MySQL by using command prompt, then please watch my first part of MySQL. There I explain how to use MySQL by using command prompt and find users and databases. Okay. Let's switch our video. Drive. I'm using command MySQL -u user. User is root. -p password is 123 dash hash means host. Host name is localhost. Instead of writing localhost, can I use localhost IP? Yes, I can. So I type localhost IP 127.0.0.1. Here we successfully enter in MySQL. Let's check how many users are present. To find how many users, we use command like select user host from MySQL dot user colon. So basically, two users are present. To create new user, we use command like create user. My username is suppose Akash @ my host name is local host, which is identified by password is 456. So Akash is successfully created. Now here we just create Akash user. We doesn't give him any type of permission like he can create databases, he can create table, insert any type of row, or find how many database tables are present. To check, we need to switch the root user to Akash user. To exit from current root user to root user, we use command quiet. Now we exit from root user. Let's clear the screen. I use cls command to clear screen. To use MySQL by using user Akash user, I give username Akash. Password is 456. Don't give space between a p and your password because space is also counted. -s means host. Host name is local host. Here also I can give IP also, localhost IP. Localhost IP is 127.0.0.1. Localhost and localhost IP both are same. Now let's check how many databases are present. So I type command show databases colon. Oops, we can see only one database which is by default created. Information schema is by default created. Now Akash doesn't have any type of access permission to find how many databases present, how many tables are present, and insert any type of rows. To grant permission, we need to switch Akash to a root user because Akash is the user. He cannot give all privileges from himself. He doesn't give any type of privileges to himself. Means root user is like a company. The company owner is always give privileges to his employee. Okay, so let's switch. Let's clear the screen by using cls command. Now enter MySQL by using root user. Let's check Akash is present. Yes, Akash is present. To give privileges to Akash, use command grant all privileges on. First star in the star indicate all databases. First star is for all databases and second star is for all tables. 2. Which user? Akash. At the rate, their host name is local host. So here we give all kind of privileges to Akash. To check it, we need to switch. I again use quiet command. Let's again clear the screen by using CLS. Enter MySQL by using Akash user. Let's type command show databases colon. Yes, now Akash can see all databases. Can you use any type of database? Yes, he can. Can he find how many tables are present? Yes, he can find how many tables are present. Now again switch to root user. Now I'm successfully create Akash and give all permission to Akash. But suppose if I want to remove all permission from Akash, then what I will do? For that I use command revoke all privileges on all databases and all table from which user? Akash at the rate local host is their host name. Now we successfully revoke all privileges from Akash. Let's switch to our PT session. So here is the list of databases present in MySQL database. MySQL, performance schema, school and test are databases present in MySQL. Information schema is by default created. Okay. Now here is a scenario suppose if root user want, the Akash user can access any one of the databases from the databases list. So which command we will use? For that let's switch command prompt. For that scenario we use command like grant all privileges. First I want to find how many databases present, so I type show databases colon. Now I want to give privilege like grant all privileges on. Suppose I want to give access only test databases, so I type test. Inside that test database so many tables are present. If I want to give all table permission, then I give star here, but I want to give only any selected table. Suppose inside test there is a admission, school, salary tables are present, but I want to give him permission to access only admission table, so I type admission, that table name. To which user? Akash at the rate host name is local host. 0 affected means successfully create. Okay, now again switch root user to Akash. Again clear the screen by using CLS. Now we enter in Akash. Let's check how many databases can he find. Yes, he can find only a test database and information schema. He cannot access other databases like performance schema, MySQL, school databases. Okay, now we also give you permission like inside test databases he cannot access all table, he can access only admission table. So let's check how many table he can find. So I need to enter in test database, so I type to use test database change. I type show tables. Now it shows only one admission table. This is why, because we give only one admission table permission. Okay, now Now our last point is how to drop user. So let's type. For that I again switch to root user. Again clear screen by using cls. Use the root user. Okay, the root user always give permission to all user, because there is scenario like root user is like a company and Akash is a employee. Okay, to drop the created user, use command drop user. Username is Akash @ local host. Zero affected means we successfully delete Akash from our user list. So let's check how many users are present. User host password from mysql dot user. Yes, we successfully delete. Here is the end of video. In our next video we are going to discuss about create, insert, update, select privileges, means selected privileges, not all, using all privileges command. So watch my next session. Thank you.